Welcome to St. Mary's University. Right, let's talk about the highlights of the Masters in Sports Journalism program brought to you by 5 current students. Ayush, take it away.
Out here, I found tailored modules for each strand of journalism, be it writing, presenting, podcasting, or well, all of the above. And we combine all those skills on our very own website, the Sports Gazette, and our live news days. By the way, I don't mean to brag, but I got a ticket to England versus Brazil from the press box at Wembley. And as an FWA award winner, I attended the ceremony and sat alongside some footballing royalty. It's fair to say, this program has something for everyone.
Exactly like the city of London, Ayush. This city is filled with sporting culture. During this course, we've been able to attend multiple Brentford press conferences, Chelsea live at Stamford Bridge, Tottenham Hotspur's brand new training facilities, and let's not forget Sky Sports Studios. Wallahi, this course has provided me with endless opportunities.
Also, we've had the chance to interact with some inspiring... Do you want me to wait until... Yeah. Okay, one more time, Julia. Also, we've had the chance to interact with some inspiring people from the industry. I'm talking the BBC's Ross Adkins, John McKenzie from Tifo Football, and Marina Isidro, who's worked at 6 Olympics. Oh, and by the way, Marina just happens to be one of our lecturers.
Plus, we've got a campus that's buzzing. You've got the new SU, which is being built right beside me. It's going to be ready just in time for you guys to come, so you're not going to have to travel too far for your pints. We've also got the High Performance Centre, and we've got the gym, which gives you access to the track which I'm at right now. And we've also got the DV Cafe behind me. Guys, trust me, the pizza's there, off the scale, 10-10, trust me, £6 as well. Can't go wrong.
Lastly, I'd just like to add that having classmates from all over the globe come together for the mutual love of sport has been truly special. Each person who's spoken in this video comes from a different country and has their own different lived experiences and perspectives. It's fair to say that sports journalism at St Mary's presents a world of opportunities.